Let's be honest. Turning 60 didn't make you invisible, but your clothes might have. Because here's the thing. Most guys over 60 aren't dressing, age appropriate. They're dressing era appropriate, like the era they refuse to leave behind. But don't worry, we're about to fix the 7 biggest style mistakes aging you right now. If you want to go from retired and forgotten to seasoned and sharp, stick around. This might be the makeover your closet didn't know it needed. Mistake number 1, wearing clothes that fit like a tent. Ever seen someone disappear into their outfit? Oversized shirts, saggy jeans, and jackets roomy enough to host a poker night underneath? That isn't comfort, it's camouflage. The myth says loose equals relaxed, but the truth is that loose often reads as lazy. Clothes that swallow your frame make you look shorter, wider, and decades behind the times. There's a more innovative way to stay comfortable without sacrificing style. Tailored doesn't mean tight, it means structured. Shoulders that line up properly, sleeves that end at the wrist, a clean taper at the waist. These subtle details change everything. Trade those wide leg jeans for a straight or slim fit and suddenly they're shape again. Get shirts and blazers tailored. The cost is minimal, the impact is major. A proper fit sharpens your silhouette and modernizes your look instantly. It's not about being skinny, it's about showing that you still care how you show up. Mistake number 2, outdated accessories. Nothing dates a look faster than accessories that are stuck in a time warp. That pair of wireframe shades from the 90s? That's not retro, that's just tired. And unless panning algebra equations is on the agenda, the calculator watch can probably retire. Accessories are style amplifiers. They take a simple outfit and they level it up, but only if they work with the times, not against them. Think modern, not flashy. Trade that tech-heavy wrist gadget for a sleek minimalist timepiece. Clean face, leather strap, no chaos. Ditch the skinny, fading belt for one in quality leather with subtle stitching. Or go textured with a canvas or braided style. Sunglasses? Chunky acetate, classic aviators, or bold wayfarers frame the face and say, modern gentleman, not forgot to update some style up. Even something as small as switching to clear or tortoiseshell sunglasses instantly adds style maturity. Small upgrades, huge payoffs. Mistake number 3, baseball caps with everything. Baseball caps are like ketchup. Useful at the right moment, but not something that you want to slap on everything. And if that cap still has a logo from a 2008 golf tournament or your local hardware store, it's doing you more harm than good. A worn-out, floppy cap might feel familiar, but it also tells the world that you stopped trying somewhere around the time that DVDs were still a thing. The truth is that headwear can be stylish, but only if chosen wisely. Swap the freebie trucker caps for something intentional. A waxed cotton cap in a dark neutral adds rugged polish. A wool or corduroy version instantly feels more elevated, especially in the cooler months. In the summer, a linen flat cap keeps things breezy without looking sloppy. Want to make a real impression? A straw fedora or classic newsboy cap adds timeless charm and shows that you've still got that sharp eye for detail. Accessories like hats should enhance your look, not cancel it out. Think texture, tone, and fit, not slogans and sweat stains. And remember, if the cap came free, it probably shouldn't be your go-to. Style is about choosing, not defaulting. Upgrade the hat, and the whole outfit steps up with it. Mistake number 4, playing it too safe with color. Beige, gray, navy, then back to beige again. If the wardrobe looks like it's been copy-pasted from a foggy Wednesday, it's time to shake things up. Playing it safe with color might feel easy, but it also drains personality from your outfit. And let's be real here, you've got way more character than that, right? As skin tone changes and hair turns silver or white, the right colors can actually make you look fresher, more energized, and effortlessly sharp. Neutral doesn't have to mean dull. Swap out the bland with rich, muted tones that bring quiet confidence. Olive green, burnt orange, rust, powder blue, camel, mustard, and deep plum all add warmth without going loud. Pop some color through your sweaters, scarves, or even footwear. Small tweaks have a big impact. Want to make heads turn? Layer up with a camel overcoat, or throw on a forest green bomber for an unexpected twist. Here's a surprising edge. Cool tones like slate blue, mint green, or charcoal actually enhance silver or white hair, making the whole look pop. Color is your not-so-secret weapon. And when done right, it doesn't just say stylish, it says ageless. Mistake number 5, wearing so-called dad jeans. Baggy, saggy, light-wash denim with back pockets big enough to carry a paperback novel, and a fit that does absolutely nothing for the figure. These jeans aren't just outdated, they're actively working against you. They don't whisper laid back, they shout, "I haven't updated my wardrobe since fax machines were cool." The sad truth, they're gonna age you faster than gray hair ever could. It's time to level up your denim game. First, start with the wash. Dark indigo or clean medium rinses are universally flattering and instantly modern. They slim the legs, clean up the overall silhouette, and also pair effortlessly with both casual and sharp looks. Next up, the fit is everything. Say goodbye to shapeless and hello to straight, tapered, or slim cuts. Not skinny, just tailored. These styles follow your body's natural line and give you a sharper, neater appearance without sacrificing comfort. Modern jeans also come with built-in stretch, so you're going to be getting movement and ease all without that extra fabric hanging off of you like curtains. Watch the length, too. Jeans should hit right at the ankle. No bunching, no puddling, clean lines only. Here's a power move. Pair your upgraded denim with a crisp button-down, a structured jacket, and loafers or minimal sneakers. Instantly elevated, still totally comfortable. The dad jeans had a good run, but it's time to retire them for something that works with you, not against you. Keep the dad wisdom, lose the dad denim. Mistake number 6, hanging on to 90s patterns and oversized logos. Loud patterns and oversized logos had their moment, but that moment ended with dial-up internet. Bold stripes, chaotic plaids, and novelty Hawaiian shirts don't just date an outfit, they drag it back decades. These busy prints overwhelm the frame and pull attention in all the wrong ways. The trick isn't to avoid the pattern altogether, but rather to modernize it. Microchecks, tonal florals, fine herringbone. These subtle styles add visual interest without shouting. Muted prints layered under solid colors give off a polished, current vibe without trying too hard. Oversized logos are another pitfall. They rarely look sophisticated, and they often feel like an awkward attempt to tap into trends that are meant for another generation. Instead, choose clean designs or understated branding. Layer a microprint shirt under a tailored blazer, or wear a soft plaid scarf with a solid topcoat. The result is timeless, stylish, and effortlessly age-appropriate. And number 7, treating shoes like an afterthought. Nothing kills a great outfit faster than a tired, clunky pair of shoes. A sharp blazer, fitted trousers, and clean layers lose all their charm the moment that they're paired with worn-out, square-toed shoes from the early 2000s. Shoes aren't just a finishing touch, they anchor your entire look. When chosen right, they say confident, intentional, and modern. When wrong, they say stuck in the past. Every man over 60 should have 3 go-to pairs in rotation. First, a pair of clean, minimal white sneakers. Not the bulky gym kind, but something sleek that works with jeans or chinos. Second, suede loafers or classic brogues. Perfect for smart casual looks and weekend outings. Third, a solid pair of Chelsea or Chukka boots. Ideal for cooler months and versatile enough to dress up or down. Matching shoes to belts still matters, but keep it simple. The tone should complement, not clone each other. For an extra edge, go for texture. Suede, pebbled leather, even burnished finishes. These subtle details signal confidence and maturity without saying a word. When shoes are treated like part of the outfit, not an afterthought, everything comes together like it's supposed to. Let's be very clear about something. You are not too old to be stylish. You are too smart to keep wearing stuff that doesn't serve you. Ditch the sloppy fits, level up the details, add color that flatters, and wear patterns that feel intentional, not outdated. You've got experience, taste, stories. Let your clothes match that energy. All right, which of these 7 style sins have you been secretly committing? Be honest, the dad jeans? That logo hat from the 2003 company picnic? Drop it in the comments down below. And also, hit that subscribe button if you're ready to look like the sharpest man in the room at any age. Because 60 plus isn't the end of style. It's when you finally stop dressing for anyone but you.